Question number 1. What is the supreme law of the land? Constitution. Question number 2. What does the Constitution do? Sets up the government, defines the government, protects basic rights of Americans. Question number 3. The idea of self-government is in the first 3 words of the Constitution. What are these words? We the people. Question number 4. What is an amendment? A change to the Constitution, an addition to the Constitution. Question number 5. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution? The Bill of Rights. Question number 6. What is one right or freedom from the First Amendment? Speech, religion, assembly, press, petition the government? Question number 7. How many amendments does the Constitution have? 27. Question number 8. What did the Declaration of Independence do? Announced our independence from Great Britain, declared our independence from Great Britain, said that the United States is free from Great Britain. Question number 9. What are 2 rights in the Declaration of Independence? Life, liberty, pursuit of happiness. Question number 10. What is freedom of religion? You can practice any religion or not practice a religion. Question number 11. What is the economic system in the United States? Capitalist economy, market economy. Question number 12. What is the rule of law? Everyone must follow the law. Leaders must obey the law. Government must obey the law. No one is above the law. Thanks for joining me today on your Citizenship and History Guide. If this helped, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more practice videos. Stay tuned.